Hold up, before you layer another serum on your face, let's take a deep breath and reset. Because if you have been doing everything right and your skin has still acting up, this might be the moment your entire skincare journey transforms. This video isn't about 10-step routines or chasing the latest beauty fad. It's about real, science-backed, nature-powered changes you can start making right now to get visibly clearer skin in just 14 days. No gimmicks. No fluff. Just results. Ready? Let's begin. The first step to glowing skin doesn't start at your face. It starts inside your body. You could be using the most expensive skincare on earth, but if your gut is imbalanced, your liver is congested, or your inflammation is high, your skin will show it. Redness, breakouts, dullness, these are your body's way of crying out for internal balance. So let's start with a detox drink. And no, this isn't just any trendy mix. This is a combination of time-tested ingredients known to soothe inflammation, flush toxins, and support clear, radiant skin from within. Here's how to make it. Take a glass of lukewarm water. Squeeze in half a lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seeds. Grate in a little fresh ginger. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Sweeten slightly with raw organic honey. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then drink it first thing every morning on an empty stomach. This combination is packed with natural anti-inflammatories, antioxidants, omega-3s, and gut-friendly fiber. In just 2 weeks, your body will start to reset, your digestion improves, your energy lifts, and your skin? It starts to glow. If you're busy, make 2 to 3 servings ahead of time, store them in the fridge in a glass bottle, and warm slightly each morning. Once your internal game is strong, let's protect your external glow. Most people sabotage their skin without even realizing it. Here are a few habits you've got to stop. 1. Rubbing your face. Always pat gently, whether you're applying product, drying your skin, or cleansing. Tugging and rubbing can break down your barrier and cause tiny micro-tears that lead to irritation and breakouts. 2. Popping pimples. Tempting? Yes. Full help? Never. Popping pushes bacteria deeper, causes scarring, and creates more inflammation. Instead, apply a gentle spot treatment and let your skin heal with support, not violence. 3. Using hot water. Keep the water lukewarm. Hot water strips the skin of natural oils, leaving it vulnerable and dry. Your skin needs balance, not extremes. 4. Not changing your pillowcase. This one's big. Dirt, oil, and bacteria build up fast. Change your pillowcase at least twice a week to reduce acne triggers, especially if you sleep on your side. And lastly, simplicity is your superpower. The fewer products you pile on, the easier it is for your skin to thrive. Stick with clean, intentional steps. Trust your skin to do what it was built to do, heal. Glowing skin isn't just what you apply. It's how you live. Start moving. Even 20 minutes of walking or stretching daily boosts blood flow, delivers oxygen to your skin, and stimulates collagen production. Hydrate like it's your job. Keep a bottle with you all day and sip, sip, sip. Water helps flush out toxins, improves skin elasticity, and keeps your cells plump and refreshed. And the most underrated glow-up tool of all? Stress management. Stress raises cortisol levels, which triggers inflammation and breakouts. So slow down. Meditate. Journal. Go outside. Do something every day that makes you feel calm. This isn't just skincare, it's self-care. Now for a natural secret that might surprise you: banana peel. Every night for 14 days, take the inside of a fresh banana peel and gently rub it over your clean face. Use slow, circular motions and focus on areas with dark spots, dullness, or active breakouts. Let it sit for 10 minutes while you relax. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Now here's the twist: immediately follow it up with an ice water face dip. Fill a bowl with cold water and ice cubes, then dunk your face in for 10 seconds. Come up, breathe, and repeat 2 to 3 times. This boosts circulation, reduces swelling, shrinks pores, and leaves you with an instantly fresh, snatched look. Do this nightly, and by day 14 you'll notice fewer breakouts, tighter pores, and a more even tone. No facials, no filters, just results. Ancient skincare routines? They still work, and this next one is a powerhouse. Start with rice water. Soak 1 cup of white rice in clean water for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Strain and store the milky water in a spray bottle in the fridge. Every morning and night, spritz it directly onto your face or apply with a cotton pad. No need to rinse. Rice water brightens, fades dark spots, and tightens the skin naturally. It's like a glass skin filter, without the filter. Next, try this 2 times a week. Boil 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in water until a gel forms. Strain the gel and mix it with 1 tablespoon of rice flour and a splash of rose water or yogurt. Apply it as a mask for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it firms, gently wipe it off with a damp cloth. This mask is packed with collagen-boosting and firming properties that give your skin that bounce and lift it craves. So there you have it, a 14-day glow-up journey rooted in simplicity, tradition, and science. Detox from the inside. Treat your skin with gentleness. Feed it with movement, hydration, and calm. And let nature do its thing, with banana peels, rice water, flax seeds, and a little consistency. Your skin doesn't need perfection. It needs attention. And when you give it that, you unlock the confidence that's already within you. So, are you ready to take the 14-day challenge? Comment below and tell us which tip you're starting with. Or share your favorite natural glow-up trick with this community. We're all in this together. And if this helped you, like and subscribe for more science-backed, soul-soothing skincare content. No fluff, no filters, just you and your best skin yet. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay radiant, and stay you.